Hi, my name is Robert. I'm 32 and I'm a trader. I have been a professional trader for more than 8 years. My previous job was trading on the stock and financial markets. For the past 2 years, I have successfully conducted transactions on cryptocurrency exchanges such as Exmo, Huobi, Binance. This is my workplace where I spend most of my day. This is my habitat where I develop myself and earn a lot of money. My first acquaintance with trading took place in the first year of the Faculty of Economics and Finance, where I was very interested in this topic and began learning this field more actively. At the very beginning, I studied information on my own based on the data I had, the books about trading, educational videos, etc. I worked very hard to get more and more information. I don't know why I had this passion and desire to understand all these bonds and stocks and a lot of other complex terms, but I was amazed by everything there. I think it's all from childhood. I remember being fascinated by movies where people in suits sat in their big offices and said smart phrases like, "The S&P 500 sinks more than 1.5%. You need to hedge your position." It was an incredible emotion. It was a nostalgia moment, but let's continue. While much theory was learned, I was advised a firm that provided capital to novice traders. It worked like this. The company transfers a certain amount you to manage, for example $10,000, but you can lose no more than $100. Otherwise, they say goodbye to you and recruit other traders. I applied to that company and then I had to pass a test. There were 100 questions and only an hour to complete. To get ourselves prepared, we were given a lot of theory about how the exchange works. After completing the test, I scored the required number of points, and the other week I started trading on a real account, having a professional trader as a supervisor. I have been working successfully for this company for more than a year and achieved certain results. I wanted to continue developing myself and learning the new things. I spent a year doing independent trading, learning new skills, and I was looking for a high-level job at the same time. After 7 months of searching and having the interviews, I managed to win a place on the New York Stock Exchange as a trainee trader. This was a significant step in my career, since I have received an amount of $50,000 to be managed and collaboration with highly qualified traders. This training lasted for a whole year, and then I became the manager of my own trust account for $150,000. From that moment, I believe that my real experience in the field of trading has begun. I have been working there for 4 years. However, the work of a trader implies a constant learning process, as modern market trends dictate their terms and conditions and make us look to the future for several years ahead. That made me to explore new opportunities that are somewhat different from the classic trading. Gradually, I began to dive deeper and deeper into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technologies. This area fascinated me with its unusual and unpredictable nature, and I liked it. It was difficult, but these difficulties made me stronger day after day. Thus, after several years of experiments, I have developed my own cryptocurrency trading strategy that gave me a large percentage of profit. But, as they say, there are no limits to perfection, and I brought my strategy to a perfectly balanced and effective one. I was widely known in narrow circles as a young but promising specialist, and I think this contributed to the fact that in 2019 I was contacted by representatives of Andreas Krall and offered to discuss the possibility of cooperation. I wasn't interested in the financial side of the issue. For me, the company's goals and general principles of development are much more important. And you know, I was delighted. I was inspired by the idea of the Mirollex Company and saw a huge prospect, and then I said, yes, definitely. After the Mirollex official launch, I started working in a division that directly deals with trading on the largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, I manage an account worth more than $1 million. And I will tell you, this is only a small part of what awaits us in the near future. We can talk a lot about this. But I would like to end my speech by saying that we, my dear friends, are on the threshold of entering a new era of financial independence and are witnessing a historical moment called Mirollex. I wish you good luck and big profit. Robert was with you. Bye.